Hello and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make one of my favorite drinks, the classic mojito. And the origins of the mojito go back all the way to the 16th century. And although we don't know the exact origins, it's said to have originated where Sir Francis Drake. Supposedly his crew was sick with dysentery and they decided they were going to go to local areas around Cuba and get some medicinal herbs. And so they made the very first mojito using mint and limes and sugars, and also aguardiente, which was a precursor to rum. And now, later on, the drink got famous in the early 20th century because Ernest Hemingway loved it. And so now we have what we drink today, the classic mojito made with white rum. Now, the ingredients are pretty simple. We're gonna take 2 ounces of white rum, about 10 mint leaves, a lime that we're gonna go ahead and divide into 4 wedges, some club soda, sugar, and ice. Okay, so the very first thing we wanna do is we're gonna go ahead and take about 10 mint leaves. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get our mint leaves ready here. All right, we're just gonna slap the mint leaves right here to kind of activate the oils in them, and we're gonna throw them in the bottom of our glass there. Now we're gonna take our lime, cut that into 4 pieces. All right, we're gonna take our lime, and we're gonna put it into our glass with the peel side down, and add about a tablespoon of raw sugar. Go ahead and take your muddler, and we're going to go ahead and kind of push down on the limes and muddle that in there, trying to get the juices to mix in there. You can also take your stir spoon and kind of stir that around a little bit there. We're just trying to mix in the sugar and the oils from the mint in there together. Get that mixed in really well. Next, add in our 2 ounces of rum. Then we're gonna get some ice and add it to that real quick. So we're gonna top off the cup of ice. Add in our club soda. Whoa! Make sure you don't shake that. Okay. Top that off, and that's gonna be approximately about a half a cup there. I'm gonna go ahead and give it another little stir here. Just trying to get all the ingredients mixed up in there. Now that raw sugar will go ahead and melt over the course of drinking the drink and really get in there and sweeten up the drink as you're drinking it. It's fantastic. You'll love that. Now we're going to go ahead and garnish that with a little bit of more mint on the side here. Find a pretty one that I like. There you go. And going to go ahead and also add my lime wedge to the side there. And there we have our classic mojito. Wonderful. Simple and easy and oh so refreshing. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more recipes like this one. Thanks for joining us today in My Little Country Living.